Yo, welcome back, guys. So happy to see you here. Limited. We are rocking. Let's go. Some exciting news today. We're having Codex built in already. We can launch multiple terminals with Codex as well. And also we are 50 more after the 5 days of streaming on the channel. I'm so happy seeing that the community is growing. For sure, soon we will have the Discord channel. You can join as well. Limited, thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it, man. So what we're gonna be today, we'll test the Codex. If we are receiving questions like you see here in the right, these questions should go to the Telegram, and you sitting on a couch, you can reply and answer to this terminal here. Something is happening right now. We don't receive it. Codex usually does a weird thing. It just asks you questions in plan mode. So only when you are in plan mode you receive this kind of interactive questions. It's something that I discovered a little bit late, but we are driving it, and hopefully today we'll fix it. Hopefully everything will be done, and we already launched this terminal, so we will see what's happening in there. We are also very close to launch the website, but right now you can subscribe to the news, and you can do it by going on the Prwn app. Let me see. I'll open a new. So it's Prwn app. You can go here, you can add your email, and something nice will happen after. You'll receive an email, and it's extremely nice. Just try yourself and add your email here, so you'll have basically the latest news, and I will let you know when the app is fully ready for testing and a free trial. But right now, let's go back and building it. We'll do today the Codex fully functional. We are having it already functional, but the questions seems that they are not arriving. You see, this is in the Claude. So right from your Telegram, you can answer to the questions. I'll do it right now. You don't need to go to the app. You just go to your Telegram, click on the answers to your questions, and it will be sent automatically to the terminal. Let's do a test right now, and you will see what's happening. So I'm having this interactive menu from Claude, and after I'm clicking here and submit answers, you'll see how this is sent to the Claude. So push local main to origin. This deploys the migration to the Prwn app production ready. Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Then the external Prwn design tokens drifted darker theme plus a new exchange log resync into this deploy. Yes, resync now. And still diverged branches. What should I do? Delete the 3 safe, keep the 2 with work. And I will delete the 3 safe. And then I will submit, and you see it interacted with the terminal and basically sent all the questions you've put in the Telegram, so you don't have to go into terminals or open your laptop. you can just do it from Telegram. Yeah, of course you helped. Thank you for that, bro. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. To run the live smoke when you are ready, in Prwn dev settings, Telegram confirm pairs the dev bot separate from stable, send spawn Prwn to the dev bot. You should get feeded. Click away from dev and focus. Okay, let's do it. We had a problem. Like, I don't know why today the messages from Telegram were not sent to the terminals, so I had to see how I can fix it. And right now I'll try again and spawn a new terminal with something I want to test. Let's see if it's opening or not. Prwn test if this is working. Okay, so create a new session in Prwn. It will open in the app. Let's see if it's opening or not. Yeah, it opened. Testing if this is working. That's awesome. This is working. Perfect. So let's not spend any more tokens because you already see I'm 82%, and I need to switch to the second subscription. So let's see here what the fix needs. Not a one-liner demo change. This is a real feature gap and the fix can be guessed. Reprop the live plan mode prompt to the capture is stable chrome marker framing, not a phrase in the shaded to this one instance. Let's test again. Let's do what Claude says to us. Let's switch to the plan mode in Codex and give me 5 questions in interactive menu. So we decide together what we will build next. Let's see if this time is working. Prwn Codex will send us an interactive questions menu, and this should be visible in our Telegram. Let's see if it works. Codex questions in plan mode. Claude debugged why you didn't get. Oh, okay. So this is the message I received earlier. So I'm not receiving the questions. Let's see what's going on. From your phone send. Yes, it's working. All good, but don't go on stable yet. Just let's see what was there. Review token ref deploy to. Okay, perfect. Just see and commit to the main. Make sure everything is saved. Commit to the main. Okay, that's perfect. I'll put this here. And then all 5 load dispatching each migrates components eligible copy. Eligible copy. Okay, perfect. So deploy successful. Expected is in pre-launch coming soon. Gate mode. Okay, confirming the gate target. We also implemented Cloudflare, so when you go to the website, you'll see a little thing here at the bottom. But now, because I'm not a robot, it will not show. Let's also verify if this is in place or not. is the Cloudflare still in place or not? See what's happening, because I don't see the Cloudflare check anymore on the Prwn app. Yeah, right now it's working, but like if the task is in progress, if I'm closing this one, it will stay on the left, like here, because there were two terminals. But yeah, I'm not sure, because you see this is working right now. It refreshed it, but I think I will also need to refresh from time to time. I'm not really sure how I will do this, but of course there is a way. So right now everything is saved. Here is the information, blah blah blah. We also have this function, guys, so we don't read anymore the terminals. We just read the Claude what summaries has, and you see it's appearing now. So you don't read a lot of AI slop anymore. You are just reading the summaries. And right now we are building a thing in here, so you can also reply from this window here. So you don't go back to the terminal and replying. You'll have a thing to reply directly from here. False Prince is committed to nothing to at risk. Decide if you want user facing, change long entry for the spawn reliability fix. Confirm whether to delete your two redundant local branches. Now that the work, yes, I confirm. Decide whether to take action on T3 stalled tier in a work tree or leave it running it to the running session. Yes, confirm. Okay, let me close this and see what's going on here. Let's see on this one. Claude debug why you didn't get the terminal approval buttons. Finding use the bridge is healthy, but the demons detector only recognizes command approval models. Ah, okay. So we have this in another workstream. Let's see, because the plan mode. Yeah, I think we will do it refreshing at some interval. Is this the way you implemented it? The plan mode prompt you trigger showing one isn't approval markers, so it feel through it to finish detection and sent only on plain ping instead of buttons. I think we have this in sprint. We decided previously, but I think that was not implemented yet and was just left in there. Please verify this, and if not, please print out or this answer model for Codex as well, same as we have on Claude. Why is taking so long to transcribe today? It took me a Romanian something. I don't know why. If there is not, please just sprint a new sprint, so we do it like we did on Claude. Cleaned up to redundant branches. Let Claude know if you want T3 act delivery pick up or the stable promotion handled. T2 ways for operator gate to redeploy daemon to go live. So what? What's left? If that's from sprint Z, there is another session working on that. So guys, if you want to find more when and what are the news about the Prwn app, you go on the Prwn app and then you will be redirected to the coming soon, and you go enter your email here and click the button get early access. You'll find an Easter egg after that, and I will have another email for you after. Let's go back to the app. Let's see what's happening here and see what's going on. It seems like the key is not added. Let me verify again. It should be there. Let's see what this says. Oh, perfect. So only challenges Cloudflare risk engine when needed. Let's verify as well. Yeah, perfect. It's working, guys. It's working. I just tested. We are protected by Cloudflare, so nothing happens. And you cannot spam, okay? So don't spam. Just enter your email one time. I will see your signups. I will see your emails. And thank you guys for subscribing to the news on the Prwn app. Yeah, I'm not using screenshots that often, and I think that is a problem. But I will have it done more often. Verify time says, and if the secret. Okay, perfect. So we finished here. Let's see again if. Can you check? Can you please check if Prwn Web has all the pages and everything in the next international format, and we can do all the pages in multiple languages as well? Just verify what the latest updates were and make sure nothing left behind and everything it's in okay, let's see. Let's put codecs at work. Right now, guys, you are also having codecs in the app, in the Prwn app. That's something I worked over the weekend, so right now I'm working on approval. You see here, Claude is working on it. Perfect. Your actual bug is fixed. So nothing for me to do. The other session finishes T3 on its own clock. This will go live and stable promotion. Wait for explicit to go. If at any point that session stalls on 3.3 and you want me to take it over, just say and I'll coordinate. Okay, perfect. Let's close this. Let's see what's happening here. My sprint C didn't touch anything. Let me read the... I can close this now. Let's see what Codex does and if any summaries appears here. I'll also close this one. Let's go, guys. Who saw the Easter egg after signing up to the Prwn website? Yo, Nelly. How are you, bro? Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us. Perfect. Codex is running. Let's see these other sections. One hour ago. I don't know, guys. I'm still having multiple things to do on that. Oh my god, it seems like Codex already started to work on it. Let's see what's going on here. So I'm going to make a scope but real fix now. Move the document shell into the local so LAN can follow. Switch internal links to the local aware navigation helper. Move remaining visible Chrome. But I can show you a sneak peek of the website. Let me launch the local. So model. Let's use Haiku for this. Please open the latest website for me so I can show it on stream. I want to yeah, perfect. We still have the authentication to be done. I haven't started it yet, and also the account login, the account apps, and everything. You still see it's just a placeholder here on the left side, on the bottom left side. I think you don't see it because because it's my screen there. Yeah, Codex is doing a lot of changes here. I'm a little bit afraid. I just said to him to verify, but it seems like he's going to modify the things. I had Claude doing all the translations and everything on the pages, but it seems like he left a lot of Morphin things behind. And Codex is literally fixing them right now. I don't understand how Codex is that fast right now. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, I think Codex will do some problems here. Okay, so we have the site to up. Let's close this. Oh my god. I think that's because Codex is running. Let's wait for it to finish and I'll show you. Yeah, I opened, but Codex is doing directly on main, so it didn't do an org3. And unfortunately, because it's running now, you see it's building. Yeah, proceed. Yes, don't ask. So that's why the web page is not working right now, but I'll have it shortly. I don't understand why Claude didn't do this properly. I'm sure I had a task for it to make the website fully in international. Yeah, but maybe it did something that made the server not the website not loading correctly. So this one is the task I gave him. Let's see what he said here. Oh, no summary. Let's resume the session. I don't have the summary for this one. So sprint C from the repo root. Oh, okay, so what do you think, guys? Codex will break our app or not? What do you think? Because I just asked him yes, proceed. I've just asked him if everything is done, but right now it started and built everything. I don't know why, but this is crazy. If I'll do the same prompt in Claude, I think it will respect what I said. Yes, run preview. Let's see if it's working now. Yeah, okay. It did it. Seems like it's working. Bro, but it proceeded that fast? I mean, with Claude, this will take a full sprint, 1.5 hours. Oh, it already closed the server. What changed? Move the document shell into so language is no longer hard-coded to English. Remove the old top level. Converted remaining pages to meta JSON LD copy from file. Swap internal link usage to the local aware link from navigation across nav. there is a sprint that was supposed to do that. Can you read that sprint? I think it's sprint C, and see if you completed all the changes that were written in there, please. In the meantime, also start the server, and please show me the server on local. You know, I'm so lazy to run npm run build, and I'm just giving to the codex that instruction. This is where we are, guys. We don't even run the comments as well. Let's see if it does. If not, I will start the server. Let's see again. I think we'll also do the Windows version. What do you think? Should we do that or not? What are you guys using usually? That looks nice, I think. We also have the video on the YouTube here. This is not looking right on this view. I think it's not that responsive as it should be. On tablet, it's not working so good. Yeah. Good. So, let me see if I received anything on Telegram. Only this. It used a lot of a lot of usage on Claude, but I am not on the maximum plan. I'm just on plus plan, so I think that's why. There is also bug after a few rounds with codex. It seems like it's not sending anymore the summaries and the end turn messages to the Telegram. Please see what is happening, and also include in this print and this implementation. Approaching rate limits for lower credit usage. No, keep current. So why did it look not complete? Because Prwn did not mean the whole website is fully multi-language. It means finish the known string depth migration for the name pages and shared components. Sprint C retro item C3 said the pre-existing untranslated blah blah blah. Current state after my fixes, the site is now much closer to the broader global, but it's still configured for local English, so it is international ready, not actually multilingual yet. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. That's a very good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's use anti-gravity as well. Let's see, guys. Let's make the website in Spanish maybe as well. But I will need to verify. Give me a handoff prompt so I will check deeper if everything is in place. Also, give me a prompt that will check for the lint errors as well and fix them. Your workspace is out of credits. Okay, that's not a problem. We'll switch to anti-gravity as well. I'm doing this because I want to test, but I will just keep I will just keep Claude because it's the best one for me right now. But I want to test also AGI. We have done an implementation for international language inside the app with Next International, and I want you to check if everything is in place and the whole structure of the website is perfect. If not, please flag back to me. Don't write code yet, and just let me know what things are not done yet and give me a handoff prompt for a future session. Let's see what's AGI doing. That's moving fast. I don't expect it to be fast. Let's see what's happening. Z complete and merge to main. Navigated 3 siblings prints. Merge mid-run by rebasing each other into the updated main. Final docs updated. In progress message truncates mid-commit, so check whether those landed cleanly. Verify the final docs commit landed. Why are you not checking it? I mean, why do you check for me, please? Yes. Yeah, I'm having 2 subscriptions with Claude, and I think this one will finish soon. I will start the second one. So what we are doing now, we are fixing the codecs not sending us interactive questions on Telegram, and also we are checking why codex is not sending us summaries. Like here it sent me 3 messages but without any summary, without anything. Claude is doing a great job right now, but codex is still not good. and I want to fix it before giving it to you guys. I don't want to keep it like this. Okay. So check out clean so to close out or committed. We're committed, which is why the tip of past. The sprint I session also merged into is voiced here, is in between consistent. Good. So make me a brief summary with bullet points. What has been done in this session, please, so I understand, and what's left and not implemented. Okay. The problem is fixed. Got acknowledged, but the terminal silently never opened when the app was unfocused or the daemon has restarted. Reintegrate the preserve whip. The design token team work on branch. It's not on main. Let's do this as well. Please, let's do this as well. And yeah, I confirm that is live and functionally, and I can spawn a new terminal and it writes back to me queried, so that's okay. Oh, no, not that. Let's also implement this. Not change to the inbound receive parse or the PTI engine. Verify correct, left byte identical. No other referral registers made durable gate messages. 3. Non-blogging needed, defer to backload and overstated test comment, hardening the spawn ID. Nothing pushed to a remote. Prwn is local only. Okay. Yes, and always allow. So let's see. What is successfully in place? Internationalization, configuration is perfectly wired in routing. All UI copy resides safely within, and JSON renamed middleware UIs local. Agent experience, twin static MD routes exist for pricing via page markdown. Page layouts. What is not done yet in unimplemented competitor copies rated in a vault deferred sign up route. The actual trial has not. Trust banned real numbers. Community views numbers are left blank. Per instruction to avoid fabricating statistics. Remaining items for sale. Creation of a long form LLM's full companion. Contextually embodied links between pages, homepage, visible authorship details, and date modified integration of analytics scripts. Let's do this, guys. Let's also add GA and clarity. Please, let's go and let's implement this. I will actually provide analytics codes for GA4 and also for Bing. I already set up the website in Search Console. Perfect. So our website right now, it's multilingual. No, let it do the plan. I'm using usually for Claude, I'm using Superpowers, which does the plan. Sorry, the specs. Then it does the plan. Then executes sub-agent driven. So this is my workflow in Claude. For Gemini, I want to see what it can do, and because this is not a very hard task, I will just put it like this and see what's in it and what he can done. I'm actually afraid of moving to AGI and Codex because I don't have them set with agents MD, and they might not know. Okay. But where do I see what model I'm... Yeah, it's on medium. Let me interrupt and then I will set it to the... Oh my god, wait. Oh, model. You said use Pro model, not fast, if you need deep code work. So I'll use 3.1 Pro. It's better than 3.5, even on... Okay, continue please. Let's see. Claude discovered this session is running inside a Prwn stable tile. Making both requesting iteration unsafe to execute from here. Open a fresh terminal, run canary, run, redeploy plus rebuild. Design token is safe on branch. Don't delete it. Claude can restore it to your... Perfect. Okay, let's close this. We'll deploy later. What? Wait. So I already finished my it says 40%. But it says individual quota reached. Yeah, it seems like it's not working, guys. I hit the limit. Yeah, I don't know what plan you need to have. But it's resetting in 100 hours. What the heck? So we will continue with Claude. What subscription do you have limited? Because right now it seems like I gave it 2 prompts and it finished my usage. Or I can continue cursor. Why not? Let's start cursor. I think we can do that, right? Let's continue in cursor. Let's open the folder. And I will give him what? Do not modify existing page without verifying against the rules. Okay, let's start it on cursor because I have a lot of usage there. I haven't used cursor in months, but I'm still paying the plan. And here, what model should I use? Extra high fast, 1 million context, extra high. I'll put it on high. I don't think it needs a lot. Let's give it on cursor. Don't use Claude model, use Gemini Pro model, Opus got, and after you... Yeah, but no, I used Gemini 3.5. You saw I had literally Gemini 3.5, but now it seems like the usage, it's finished, you see? So I can do anything. I cannot do anything about it. I don't know why it terminated so fast. It's so weird. Good. So we have the missing questions in plan mode done. Let's see what is it done. Yeah, I don't know why. It's so weird. Claude authored sprint AI, ran 2 review rounds, applied all findings, merged to local main, run sprint, execute sprint AI when ready. Clone, live codex probe sessions, be available for demo redeploy. Tell Claude if you want them to start T0 now. Yeah, I will. Maybe there is any issue. Yeah, I don't know. Let's delete this. And also have the guys, but I forgot about something. Let me start this. And then what we've done, but I don't know if it's on dev. Let's verify. Let's open a previous session. Yeah, this is the anti-gravity CLI, this one, but it says 0%, so I'm not quite sure. Maybe I need to be on the Google AI plan or something like that to get higher limits. Let me research about it. To achieve higher limits in Google Analytics, you need to upgrade to either Google AI Pro 5x higher limit or Google AI Ultra 20x higher limit. Paid subscription also gain access to purchasing pay-as-you-go AI credits to bypass immediate usage. Yeah, we'll go in Cursor and do it in Cursor. How I'll allow every time. I now have the full context. The sprint has a critical structural property I must address before dispatching. All 3 tiers are gated and on operator authorized. Okay. Stream is live. I'll avoid reveal class commands. No, I think my plan is the business plan. It's not AI Pro, so that's why I don't have the usage. What's the anti-gravity AI Ultra Pro? Google. What's the subscription? I think it's just it's $100 per month for AI Ultra and 100 no, it's like $20 for 5x. Do you know what plan do you have? Unlimited? Sorry, limited? Oh. Yeah. I think I need to switch to the Google AI Pro subscription. Maybe that's better. You just... Let me see on this account, because I also have, but I have a subscription. I don't know which subscription I do have. Google One. Where do I see my subscription? Oh, wallet and subscriptions. Sorry guys, I have to detect what's happening here in Gemini. So I'm having the Google One subscription. Let's see if I can... if I can upgrade to another one. Maybe I choose the AI Ultra, which have also 5 terabytes. And we also test the anti-gravity, how it's doing. Let's see what this is doing. No, this is desktop parallel cloud. I'm keeping the count. One consider code. The vault comparison copy has all the Prwn places, while the app pricing source was true. I also making the existing bridge link placeholders actually render as contextual in body and stripping the reusable link renderer. Okay. Let me check and do an upgrade here. You have Pro. Yeah, I will subscribe to Pro as well now. AI Pro. Wow. And also I have 50% discount for the next 2 months. That's good. I'll get that one. I'll get that one and subscribe. Let's do it, guys. I just subscribed to Google AI Pro, so I'll have 4x higher limits with the Pro model. Let's see if it worked. Seems like no. I already approved the payment, but not working. Yeah, it worked, guys. It worked. Okay. Let me check again the plans I'm having. Perfect. So we are on Google AI Pro right now. I'll connect that subscription to it. I will just switch my screen, and so you will not see my credentials. Okay, I'm doing it right now. Let me just do this one thing fast. So how do I exit? AGI login. No, AGI. Okay. Log out. Google OAuth. Let me. Nah. I'll copy the link. Sign in. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Okay. So we are back in with anti-gravity. Let's see what it can do. Let me see. I'm going back on screen. Okay, good. Good. Usage. Yay. We do have a lot of usage right now. So what are we supposed to do with anti-gravity? Yeah, I upgraded the plan right now. But you wanted to forward an answer it from each hit a hard stop that needs you. The question menu detection marker, the raw. Okay, so I'll spawn a codex one. And I will put it in plan mode. Yeah. Plan. I want to build a functionality. Please give me some questions in the interactive menu. So you ask me about the implementation. Let's see if that's working. After this finishes, I will check with anti-gravity if Claude did a great work or not. So stay tuned. Let it finish. It worked for 1 hour and a half. Your session was ended. What's happening with Codex? Let's retry. What? It didn't work? Yeah, it worked. Next session. Visually verify the settings. Reads identically. This is behavior preserving. Let Claude kick off the rebuild now. Yeah. Yes, rebuild, but only the dev. Okay. A question menu is already. Let's see. So what do you think about the web page? Let me see if it's nah, it's not done. Okay. Guys, we didn't launch yet. I'm building live with you until we can launch the app. But what you can do right now, Rasmus, I will get you on the link Prwn.app and you'll sign up your email here and you'll receive any updates. Okay? But until then, let's do something great here. Let's see how perfect. So I'm showing you live how the app works. Right now, we also implemented some themes last time, so you can change also the themes. I prefer dark because it's my favorite color. And yeah, you, yeah, I already worked on some things. I also implemented the Cloudflare on the website and did some things there, fixed some CSRF issues, um, and the website right now it's fully secured. When I will do the authentication and everything, we'll need to pay more attention as well. So yeah, we will do it definitely. I don't want to have issues like Bridgemind had. Hopefully, our community is better. Who knows? But yeah, it's literally hard to protect you from DDoS and everything. I don't know how Bridgemind is hosted, but I also think the Vercel is having some security measures as well. So yeah, hopefully we'll not have issue. But I really like to pay attention on the security and do everything correctly. So this is the next international implementation. Works great, I think. Everything connects. Everything it's not it's working as it's supposed to be. Settings, voice panel files, right nav tabs. If anything reads off, tell me the surface and outrage is. Okay, so you are saying that now every text in the app is Next International, and it's gonna be replaced if I'm adding Spanish, for example. Also, please give me a handoff prompt. I will also study and do a deep dive inside the app folders, app files, and see if there are any hard-coded UI. I don't know what it translated here because it's not Romanian. It was English, right? The Spanish value set translates all 442 keys, save, guardar, etc. Today there is only English one. A local switcher, a setting selector, and the right time runtime wiring. So team reads Spanish versus English. No, no. I want a handoff prompt for that. I will give it to to Gemini 3.1 to strictly verify your work. But there is one session in Codex. It already have the question menu on my screen and I can literally see it. I don't know why it tries to translate Romanian. This is so weird. Let me stop it. Okay. We do have the handoff prompt. What do you think I should use for anti-gravity? Should I use 3.1 for this handoff or not? What do you think? Yes. So this is good, right? 3.1 Pro high? I don't even see 3.5 here. Oh, it's there. Let's see. We will also test that. Um, let's see what this says. Codex wants approval. Perfect. So it seems like... Mulțumesc. Meniul este sus acum pe sesiunea. Okay. Session IDs keep churning. Let me do a single atomic fresh list redacted. I can see it now. The single canary session is this very Claude Code sprint execute session, and the opus. So there is no codex menu on the canary daemon. Your live codex must be on the stable. Yeah, it's on stable. Yes, and always. Guys, I will gonna be here on stream for 30 minutes more. Then I will go and do other stuff. I will continue developing the app. I cannot wait to have it available for you, but we need to do it to do it slow and make sure everything works correctly. Test it and yeah. Yeah, I'll be only 30 minutes more. Maybe next days will stay more. If we do 10 likes, yeah, of course. If we do 10 likes, I will stay 1 hour more. Okay, so 10 likes will be 1 hour more. Okay, until 10 p.m. I'll show you right now. So this is how it does. What do you think? I can also drag and do more here. Let me open this one. So you see maybe how it does. Yeah. Why are you asking me a lot of questions? I don't like this, guys. Let me see what cursor did because I really forgot about it. Oh, yeah, it stopped. We having guys, but it edited a lot of files. I don't know why. npm test is green. 96 test passed. Um, Passed and generated 2 new HTML routes plus bot MD twins. I'm doing a final diff status sanity check. Okay. Maybe you should solve the flickering and tell the AI to solve the issue when users switch between the workspace. It refresh all the terminals. Um, when I'm doing this, I think it doesn't. It doesn't refresh it. From what I see. Confirming on the one source boss sockets my custom script hit a stale different. No, this is the other one. Um, Let me stop this one because we don't need. Um, I also have. I should have dragging these terminals and making one, but I don't know why it doesn't work right now. Ah, you see? Can you change? Select a config. Uh, how do I set allow everything? What happened? Oh, okay. How do I? Okay, so what it says? Let me put it like this. So incomplete migration. Look, it just found that Claude, after 1.5 hours, after doing everything, it's we still have hard coded things. You see, guys? So that's why I prefer studying with another AI. All the changes made by the Claude, because Claude it's usually saying to you that it completed the work, done everything, but actually behind the scenes it didn't do the job well. The original pre-migration code rendered binary file, the migrated code renders incomplete migration, eligible user facing string left hard coded, extract to category in use. Okay. Nu găsesc. Um, it says like he doesn't see this. Yes, I'm also using sub agents to verify with 3 different agents, but it still has this fucking issues. I don't understand how Claude should work to actually not making any mistakes like this. Give me a handoff from so we will fix this. Oh, so maybe let's ask um, Gemini to create a sprint. Please create a sprint for this, see the sprint files in this project, and understand how our sprints are handled. Right now, we are doing sprints with Claude, but I think you should be able to do them too. Let's set up everything and fix all the major and also the minor problems you discovered. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. what it asks me. Codex wants approval. Uh, this is actually anti-gravity. Maybe we should do reverse. Instead of just relying on Claude and Codex and anti-gravity to send us a notification when there is a question, maybe we will have the terminal pull for those questions, and whenever they appears, we will send a Telegram message. So we don't always start implementing something new for each Claude, Codex, anti-gravity, etc. What do you think, Limited? Maybe we should do this, or maybe ask Codex, or maybe Cursor. Let's see what Cursor is doing. Um, Cursor is done. So implementing the remaining routes and SEO AX tasks. Bridge mine using localized copy message render to a shared comparison component. I also created stale Omara Prwn voice facts from the vault copy. npm run build past and the new comparison. Okay, open the server so I see it in browser and if it's working or not. We do have 10 likes, guys, or not? Let's check. YouTube is restricting my access. What? Um, 4 likes. 4 likes. Okay, let's go. 6 to go. Let's see the context here. 1 7. Wow, that's so small. Yeah, nice. Okay. Let's sprint, execute. I don't know if this command is working in anti-gravity, but let's try it. So it passed it the actual menu. That's real codex question. It's a multi-question. That's an important. The brief scope. T1 to in a single question menu and explicitly declared multi-question pack. But this is a actually render, so I need to capture it. Let me capture it. It cleanly now. The menus session is the one host snap hanging. Yes. 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 Root cause found. The tool honors supported because this cause is realized inside. So it is a real daemon that owns those sessions. Let me also instead of building for each provider we are adding to the app, will not be better that we have the terminal pool for the questions and approvals and everything that providers will send to us, and actually don't be provider specific but will be terminal specific? Isn't that something we can identify for 100 providers, for example? uh, I opened wait. I opened the codex terminal, then I switched from that terminal to AGI, to anti-gravity, and it seems like whenever anti-gravity is completing something, it sends me on Telegram some messages which doesn't have anything to do with codex, but they are from anti-gravity. I'll show you an example right now. Make sure you are also adding this bug, and let's decode it and debug it, sorry, and review also this one. I put a photo. Let's see what this one says. Two problems, not one. This is generalizable at the terminal, and you already have the pieces. You build the you build for codex is an inverse substrate. It exists precisely because the byte tail approach died on toy read rows. Yes, but how this will work? I mean, how the terminal will detect when a question is answered by Codex or Claude, and how will know how to answer to those? Um, as I think that Claude, Codex, and every CLI is having the same inputs. Like if you want to select the yes approve, will be the same, I think, but I'm not sure. And also, if there are questions, you can also answer with buttons. Let me try actually this. Yeah. So you see, it's working. Yeah. So I think it will be reliable to do that. Where is the? Okay. Um, this is the exact question to nail before design because your hypothesis is the load bearing assumption, and if it's wrong, the whole ship changes. Okay, so let's see, guys. Let's see what's going on. This is the website limited. What do you think about it? What do you think, guys? I worked a little bit on it. I think it took me a while. I think we should add more pictures from the app, from the inside the app. I don't like the graphics in here. It doesn't show actually how the app is running. So I think will be better if we are doing the pictures. I like so much this part here. It's so nice. This is the free trial page. It's pretty similar to the first page. Real trial, no catch. Um, Pretty good, pretty good. Doesn't look bad as well. Yes, but on free trial page you didn't respected my suggestions. There should be the annual first prices and then monthly. Please make it like in the pricing page. uh, it restarted the app. Let's see what it did. I don't even know what changed, but let's see. I don't like you didn't respected my rules. I said for the plans, show it them first annually, and at the top should be the price on monthly, but purchased on annually, and this is not respected in the free trial page at all. Let's see what it does. It restarted something. I think this one is right. Yeah. Uh, you can test the application on Earner to confirm everything looks good. What the heck, guys? It literally completed this print in basically no way. Guys, what's this? Does it lies to me? Can you review if you did the whole work with 3 sub agents, please? Also, launch one bug sub agent, bug finder sub agent. Okay, let's see what this one does. Anti-gravity bug decoded recorded as your screen is a message headed Codex wants a bro whose body is Gemini. Root cause is Codex is decided once at spawn from the spawn command the detector's key on generic key from live menu captured, but this is a multi-question pack I captured. Two decisions, multi-question scope for T1 T2. My recommended treat each question screen as a single question for T1 first, the current question, T2 answers it. Answering the next question that handles 1 3 PK sequence without building Claude style tab supportive answering one advance to the next. I'll confirm that during Market finish AA for genuine codex. Okay. Um, yes, I can confirm. Yes, I can confirm. If you are clicking on the buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, it advanced to the next questions in codex. If you want to add notes, you need to press tab. If you want to submit questions, you should press enter. So let's see what this does. You see limited, there is sometimes this way when in the right it's dark and but here it refreshes. I don't understand if my implementation just refreshes the whole part which is visible and left the other part unrefreshed. I think this is the reason why it shows like that. Look, right now it breaks everything. Oh no, no, it's showing good. It's okay right now. But I think it just refreshes the part which is visible. Usually, all the providers have instructions on how to use the menu. So maybe we can rely on that text and let the app decide for us how it can respond to the questions via Telegram. What do you think about it? No, I did not use three sub-engines for. I broke the strict split this protocol, which mandates the orchestra never edit source code. To help double check my work, I have just launched a new bug finder agent. It is currently running in the background. The bug finder sub agent has finished its sweep. Here is the report from the bug finder. Severe logic regression, browser action rail. There is a hard-coded click outside check because area label equals more was migrated to use in the markup. If the language string were never changed, this hard-coded selector will fail to match the element. This will break the click outside logic, causing the menu to close immediately when weapon. Um, let's try it. Right now it's working. Hard-coded UI strings were missed in the migration and are still hard-coded. Yeah, guys, you see even anti-gravity because of the context and because it didn't read all the files. It basically left orphan things and hard-coded things in this. I just wanted to do this so I can show to you that you can rely on the agents, but always you need to go 3 or 4 times to review the code and see if nothing gets missed. No, I don't want you to create a new sprint. Please fix in place and launch multiple sub agents that can fix that. Um, let's close this one because I don't need it anymore. And let's see, recorded a full prop, captured the durability, the raw menu fixture, the operator confirm Christos model, digit select, plus advanced, enter submits, the marker candidates, question and answered, and not shared footer. If you wanted to, we'll use this. Still open for you. Decision. Do you want the integrate everything misfire fixed now? Yes, fixed now. Attention fixture handling the string. Perfect. So we have 3 sub-agents in anti-gravity. Let's see the usage real quick. Oh, the usage didn't update it, I think. Yeah. Run. What cursor is doing? Oh, perfect. It opened the page for me. So let me see really quick. Okay, perfect. That's perfect. Let's see what's happening in here. Design terminal agnostic. The instruction legend, the frame, what submits, what cancels, what navigates. The visible option layout, the numbering, the cursor position, the model counts, the rows, and the thing that makes it safe to act on the derived guess, confirmed by screen change. You already built it as approval edge, inject the model's best guess, watch the render screen. Did it move to the next question? The prompt resolved. Didn't move, then guess was wrong. Try to alternate, then fail back to the raw kill relay. The legend proposed, the screen change disposes. The part I want to flag as a strength, not a worry, let the app decide how to respond, means the model decides from the rendered screen. That's not a workaround, it's an exactly your hard invariant. AI decides everything, no client side intent. The client regex parsing that footer will violate that rule, a model reading it satisfies it. Uh, okay, but what do you think? What do you think that we will need to use as a model for this? Basically, we'll have a LLM reading everything and decide, or how do you think we'll implement this? I don't know what's happening. Okay, guys, it's time to wrap it here and land the plane. Thank you for watching this stream. See you tomorrow for 2 hours more or 3 hours, depending on how many likes. Today we didn't achieve the 10 likes, or maybe let me see. But tomorrow I will be back again here. We are having 5 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you for everything. See you tomorrow at the same hour. It will be 6:30 CAT. So see you then. Thank you for being here today. Peace.